Wow. See them hands, right?
Off the play fake, rolling right, has the touchdown. Terrell Owen. Right to the center of the stage.
You guys already know why I have this. I'm gonna do a product review. If you wanna watch this, stay tuned. Wait, I have it upside down. Okay, don't watch this video. You can leave if you want to. Wow, some of you guys are still here. Alright, so I'm gonna do a product review on Bodylastics Resistance Bands. I know we all in the situation of quarantine. We can't go to the gym, but we're still trying to get yoked. You know what I'm saying? Bam, 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 ah, 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 ooh, 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 boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 ah. You can't get to the gym, you can't lift them weights. But that's no excuse. You can buy one of these. I had these for about 10 years. I got this particular set 3 or 4 years back. My original set I had, those bands messed up, but it was my fault. I had them in an environment that was very moist. A lot of water was going on the bands, deteriorating. So that was my fault. So tip number 1 is to take care of these and don't put them in moist environments. That being said, I'm gonna give you an honest review on these bands because they ain't paying me shit for this. So I'm gonna be as honest as possible. First off, let me start with this. As you notice, you get a lot of stuff with these bands. So the cool thing about these bands is they're all different colors, their resistance they're associated with. So it comes with one, a black band, which is 90 pounds of resistance, 13 pounds of resistance. This would be the lightest one, so I believe it's 3 pounds and 3 pounds of resistance, 8 pounds of resistance, and the green which is 5 pounds of resistance. So you get 5 bands. Tube style bands get a bad rep. People complain about their handles and they snap very easily. This particular kind, they don't feel like they will snap anytime soon. Just remember, my first tip, take care of them. If you like that tip, press the like button. These are well built quality. They also come with ankle straps, 2 of them, and you probably saw this already, but they come with 2 handles. Wait, hold on, I have to get something else. And they come with a door anchor, so you get quite a lot of stuff here. And they also come with a booklet and a DVD. Now I don't know where I put that booklet and stuff at. The likeliness I threw that away is very high. I know another thing people hate about tube style bands is the handles. They feel like the handles limits their contraction, especially the concentric contraction. It limits that, and also doesn't give them the full range of motion that they want. It's a disadvantage to some people, but for me, I'm 6'2", so that's actually an advantage for me. These handles actually give me that extra range of motion. Let me demonstrate. See with the handle, right? With the handle, I'm getting that full range of motion. You see them veins, right? Yeah, so you see how the handles are actually an advantage of these bands. That's one of the pros. Pros are they're different colors, nice colors too. You easily see which band is which, what resistance is which. You can switch them out quickly. Clip multiple bands onto one handle. Another plus is the handle's very comfortable. They're very nice to lift with, feel nice on your hands. Another positive is you get a lot of attachments with these, like I showed earlier. Bomb, 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 bomb. They're very portable, and also you can use them anytime you want, anywhere you want, and you could always mimic any exercise you want with these. And they're not very expensive. Now my cons. You know, with resistance bands, you got linear variable resistance. With these bands, you're kind of limited to that. You can't really stretch them out too much like you would with loop style bands, like the Undersun bands. Is if I stretch them no more than 2.5 times its resting size. So you do have limitations on how much you can stretch them before they start to give in. These won't give in. It will be very rare they will give in, but you don't want to deteriorate these bands long term. You don't want to cause long term damage for these. You want these to last you long. They do snap, but that's from my older set. That's a set I got 10 years ago. These newer models, they have the anti-snap technology in them. And these never snapped on me yet. The other ones that had that snapped on me was my fault. Once again, I had it in a moist environment in my basement. But even when those ones did snap, they just like snapped and just like fell. Even though they did snap on me, they snapped on me safely, which is still good. So you don't have to worry about them snapping in your face. Another kind of these are, I know I said this was a pro, this is also a con too. You get a lot of attachments. Now that can be annoying because you gotta keep searching for what you want. Damn, I can't find these stuff. You gotta search for what you want. And also, You gotta pack all these stuff in this small bag. They all fit here. It's not gonna be as easy to stuff all those stuff in, especially if you're in a rush. So that's my review on Bodylastics 10 years later. I forgot to mention the reason why I got into these. So I got into these bands. I was looking up TO workouts. I came across this video of him using these Bodylastic bands. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Terrell Owen is. I don't need to explain who he is. One of the greatest NFL players of all time. And I got intrigued. I'm like, wow, so this is what he used to get that physique? I know it's not all he used, but I see he used it a lot. He used it on his show on VH1 with Blake Klessler. That intrigued me, and I was like, even though I do use weights, these are kind of nice too. Let me get a set of these. Got my set. I didn't regret it ever since. They still work, were fine. I still like them. I still have fun with these. Do use these a lot before I step out my house. Pump into my muscles, my biceps. Bam! Johnny Bravo, you know what I'm saying? That's it for my review. Get ready, you know the deal. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you next video. As you see on my channel banner, videos every Sunday and Wednesday, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace.